So that's our phone broken now. No signs of life from it anymore. So now what I'm going to try and do is pry the display off and see what's underneath. So let's see. Alright, so that's going in quite easily. Let's just pry up a wee bit. Up and out. Let's try and get the screwdriver out the other side. There we go. So that's it now, going right through. Now just undo the clips. One at a time, working our way up to the top of the phone. And there's a layer of display. So there we go, now we can just pry the display off. Here's some inside bits. And there's what's underneath, so that's quite boring actually. And you can see the damage at the side there where where I've bent it in. I wonder if I can get in the back side as well. Try and go for the same point of entry. Nope. Let's try and just work it a wee bit more to try and get it out. Can get underneath the glass, maybe. Oh, this seems to be really hard on the back. It's a lot better to put it together in the back than it is the front. Come on. Ah, wait, the top. Yeah, I forgot that was already coming apart on this phone. There we go. That just pretty much peels right off. So here we've got the phone now. So it doesn't actually look too badly damaged at the top. You can see it's all been crushed into the side, and I think that's what broke the phone. It's actually crushed in over the processor, which is actually worn to the touch, so I don't know if maybe it is working underneath, but look how thin the phone looks now. Especially on this side. But yep, so that was all just back glass, that extra thickness over here. What a waste of space. So pressing the mute button doesn't seem to do anything. There's the battery. That can be pulled out if I just yank this cable with this like pulley bit. But I don't want to do that because I think just in case the phone's still working, I don't want to shut it down on accident because that could harm the device. What I do want to do, oops, is push the phone in at the other side as well. So if I just hold this camera here, then whack the other side, you can see that it's now been pushed in as well, and then towards the battery on this side. But anyway, I think that's a destroyed iPhone 4 because the shell now is just way too hard, so we're not going to get any more life out of this one. Let's just pull the battery cable actually. Nice, well, pull tab. Well, that didn't work. There we go, that's how you remove the logic board of an iPhone without any screws. So there we go, here comes our battery. Not at all punctured. And here's all the other insides of the iPhone. These iPhone 4s and 4Ss are annoying because I like to break things quite slowly, but these ones are either kind of all working or completely broken. There's like no happy in between. Why does this not want to come out? Come on, fall out, fall apart. It's coming, just not very well. So that's that off there. Here we go. This is the top assembly of the phone that we're now pulling out. There we go. So this is the SIM cards bit, and here's the SIM card tray here. It's not doing so good. It was in the bit that was getting hammered, and then it was bent on the inside when I was yanking this out, so that's all snapped. There's the Apple. I've never actually seen an Apple processor yet. So that's an Apple A4 processor. That's quite smart. I've never seen one before. So that's a single core unit there. Oh, there's my SIM card slot coming apart. Other miscellaneous items I don't know what around an iPhone at all. So this bottom bit just snaps off quite easily. Does the A4 snap? No, that bit is rigid. If it does snap, it'll snap at the hands of the pliers. So, cut right through a processor here, maybe. Come on! Oh, I'm gonna need to put my full body weight through this. Ugh. Well, we've made a mark on a processor. I've not cut it. Not done anything even close to cutting it. What about this bit? Because this bit was quite weak earlier. Right, let's get that in the pliers. Oh. Just on that tip. Things like the battery. I could puncture that, but I don't want to because it'll catch fire. 1500 milliamps. The remaining frame of the phone. I doubt that would do it. The pliers would be able to do anything much to that at all, but we can try it. Right, here we go. Ugh. Stainless steel border. We crushed that in a bit, but that's because that's a bit with a hole in it. Try and get a harder bit of metal in. Yeah, that's not going anywhere. So we made a mark on it again. But anyway, that's this iPhone 4 completely destroyed. Apart from the home button, it's not been destroyed yet. Still in there. There we go. Anyway, that's going to be it for this iPhone 4 destruction video. I don't like these phones because they're not very good to destroy. But anyway, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.